The second thing we're doing to make Apple Watch available to even more people is to create a new model that combines elements of Series 6 design with the most essential features of Apple Watch, all at a more affordable price. We call it Apple Watch SE. Apple Watch SE has the features customers love. It has everything you need to stay connected, be more active, and keep an eye on your health. And like Series 6, Apple Watch SE uses our largest and most advanced watch display, allowing you to see so much more at a glance. More information and apps on your watch face, more in messages, calendar, and maps, and larger and easier to read metrics while you're working out. And for fast access to information and apps, Apple Watch SE uses the S5 chip for up to 2 times faster performance than Series 3. And staying connected is even easier with the cellular models, which allow you to make phone calls, send messages, and more, even without your phone. And with family setup, cellular models of Apple Watch SE will also be great for kids. Customers love using Apple Watch for fitness and working out, and Apple Watch SE has the same accelerometer, gyroscope, compass, and altimeter as Series 6. And because it has the latest motion sensors, Apple Watch SE also supports fall detection, a feature that's made a life-saving difference for many Apple Watch wearers. With all of these features and more, including the new capabilities in watchOS 7, we think Apple Watch SE will be the perfect watch for many new customers. Apple Watch SE starts at just $279. In addition, we're announcing Apple Card financing for Apple Watch so customers can easily pay across 20...
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.